to access the cigarette lighter behind the cigarette lighter on a Rav4. There's a Phillips head screw here, and there's another one here. First, remove those. And then just start prying it out. Put something thin and strong here, 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 and pry it out real hard. There's also some clips here that look like that. You need something to do that. Also on the other side. And this is it here. So there's a clip here. This one you just pull out and press this two down and it will come out. And this is how to access that 12-volt cigarette lighter. It's just a plug that you pull out, and if you want to get to the wires, there's a couple of things you need to do. It's pretty easy. First do that here too. There's like these little doors here. And there's also a couple of little tabs here that you need to release. Just pull them that way. They're plastic, so you can get this thing out. I just released it. Now it's coming out pretty easy. Do the same thing for this one. And that's it. Okay, hope it helps. Bye. I don't know why it's running so slow.